In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. If you've ever noticed certain videos or comments missing, restricted mode might be the reason. It's a setting designed to help filter out potentially mature content. That can be helpful in some environments, but if you want the full YouTube experience on your personal device, I'll show you exactly how to switch it off. First, open YouTube in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to use. At the top right corner, look for your profile picture. Click it to open the account menu. This is where YouTube keeps quick access to a lot of important settings, including the one we need. In the menu that appears, find and click Restricted Mode. On desktop, it's usually near the bottom of that menu. This opens a small panel or page with a simple toggle. You'll see a label that says Activate Restricted Mode. If this switch is turned on, YouTube will filter content. If it's off, you'll have unrestricted access based on your account's age settings and local laws. To turn it off, switch Activate Restricted Mode to off. If the toggle changes state and the page confirms the change, you're all set. Sometimes it helps to refresh your YouTube page or open a new tab to see the update take effect immediately. Keep in mind that restricted mode is typically applied per browser, so if you use multiple browsers or devices, you may need to repeat this on each one. Here's an important note. If your account is managed by a school, workplace, or a family supervision setting, restricted mode may be locked and you won't be able to turn it off yourself. In that case, the toggle can appear grayed out, or you might see a message indicating it's been locked by your organization or administrator. If that happens, you'll need to reach out to the person or group managing your account or device for help. Switching networks or signing into a different, unmanaged account may also be necessary, depending on the restrictions in place. If you still see content filtered after turning it off, double-check that you're signed into the correct account, refresh the page, and confirm the toggle remains off. Also remember that content availability can vary by region and creator settings, so not every video is accessible everywhere. And that's it. You've learned how to find restricted mode and switch it off quickly and safely. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to browsing YouTube the way you prefer.